everyone. Thanks for coming to what will be the longest meeting of the semester to endure an endless cascade of speeches. For those of you that don't know, I'm Patrick Finnerty, and I'm a sophomore triple majoring in chemical engineering, molecular biology, and biochemistry. And I'm running to be academic coordinator next year. In the next few minutes, I'm going to pretty hurriedly talk about why I want to be your academic coordinator, why I think I could do well in the position, and what I'd like to do if elected to the position. And hopefully we have time for questions. I joined SHIP late last semester, and after my first meeting, I was immediately impressed by the organization. Instead of being asked to illicitly appropriate items for a smoothie cart or RC car, I want you guys to hand out checks. There were scholarships for people who went to national, but you handed out checks. And there was free food that I could sometimes eat. Before that, the extent of my engagement with SHIP had been stumbling into Mel in a zombie-like state and passing out on the couches. I was always busy. I was always busy because before last semester, I had taken 22 units in the spring semester, followed by 3 summer courses. The 22 units also included 4 labs. All of them were technical units. In that time, I learned very quickly and very well how to manage my time. And that would be applicable to the position, as I'll be busy next semester as well. But I felt attached after that first meeting, and I wanted to give something back. Not the food that I could actually eat, but something. So after participating in the external mentorship program and the leadership outreach committee, along with Sam, Kyle, Erica, and Mario, and Fabian, and carefully reviewing the e-board positions that were available, I figured that academic coordinator had the greatest potential to improve the club. Now I'll tell you what I do. First and foremost, I'm going to have to do it pretty fast here, I would improve upon the mentorship programs and make them year-round. Internally, underclassmen mentees would be paired with potential upperclassmen mentors starting with the first meeting. We post a giant QR code up here, so none of you have an excuse to not fill out the form. And that way we could get data on your classes that semester and your interests. More importantly, I'd encourage, in order to encourage active participation in the program, I'd have a challenge between those pairs of mentors and mentees. And depending on how popular it all is, groups of pairs. Over the weekend at RLDC, that Gabe so gladly put next to, well, this is next to RLDC. That was great. But we went over at drones and the possibility of drone racing at the next national conference. So that's actually one project that could be done between the pairs of mentees and mentors, is just build a drone and race them at an event at the end of the semester. And we could also have more projects, but that'll depend on the skill sets of the mentors and mentees of that semester. And of course, we could extend this to external mentorships or the whole club at the end of the year, and possibly have something to take to national. And there's also the matter of technical workshops and study jams. Thus far, there's been apparently low turnout. I say that because I haven't been to any of the study jams or technical workshops, and I don't think many of you have either. But I'm guessing that offering free food and coffee, especially for the study jams, would be a way to get you guys to go to those things. And by free, I mean it would be paid for by sponsorships. Don't worry, Eric. And again, I put up another QR so that you guys actually tell me what you would like to do at the technical workshops, or just studying for homework or for coding, whichever. Or have a tell Eric and Kevin party. Or tell better jokes. 4 more things, and I have to go quick through here because I think Bob is going to hold the sign soon. 1, I think we need more lab tours. Having 3 majors, I've worked in a lot of labs, and I've met a lot of professors, and almost all of them are willing to talk about their research and invite students into the labs. They're doing things from genomic sequencing to material science to researching butterfly species that are sexually attracted to salt. I regret not doing research in that last lab. 2, we could make the secret stash of tests that we don't have available on Google Drive, or we could post a link that would have the tests hosted on a foreign server, have the link on the website. Not our fault. 3, post a second Facebook page just for questions on homework, and this might help boost our GPAs as well as freshman retention, because I know I would have appreciated some framework for help with gen ed, general chemistry. 4, we should probably advertise the class more. I'm pretty sure we're disproportionately mechanical engineers and chemical engineers. And to that end, we could have e-board go out and solicit classes of other majors, or we could go people fishing and have a drone we build carry a flag around them all or something. And that's it. So stop eating peanuts, cheese is the work of the devil, and thanks for your time.